In this video, we want to review the accounting generated from receivables into general ledger and drill back down into receivables just for us to see how the transactions drill back down into receivables. So I'm going to go to my general accounting and I'm going to select journals and I'm going to search for my journals. So let's select manage journals. Accounting period will be July 18. The source, I want my source to be receivables. I can actually partially type in receivables. So that's my receivables subledger, and click on search. I also need to ensure that I am in the Acme US ledger. So this is my receivables journal, and we can see from here that the debit that we created earlier on to the receivable and my credit to my revenue is showing in my journal. So to drill back down to my subledger, let's first have a look at the subledger accounting. So this is my subledger accounting. I can then drill to my transaction. So this takes me straight into my transaction. This is my actual invoice. I can go to actions. I can view the image here as well. So that's my invoice in accounts receivable. So I've drilled all the way back down to accounts receivable from general ledger. So I can see what the invoice relates to and even the distributions as well. So that's my distribution, my receivables, and my revenue. So I can even view installments, view my accounting again, balance details, and any transaction activities. I'm going to click on done. And this takes me back down to my journal. So the batch status is unposted at the moment in my general ledger. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.